Hi guys, I'm Sneha and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you all some quick and simple fabric painting. So if you are a beginner, then this video is perfect for you. So let's get started. Here I'm using cotton fabric for my painting. And if you are new to fabric painting, then I would suggest you to start with cotton material. I am painting strawberries here at some random distance, and I have used only three colors, that is red, brown and green. I've started with base red color. You can either use acrylic paints or fabric paints. It makes no difference. If you want, you can draw these strawberries using pencil and then just go and paint over them. So I'm adding depth to these strawberries using darker color, and I have used round brush for this. I know they don't look like strawberries right now, but eventually you can relate them. Here I have mixed dark green and yellow to form this leafy green color. You can either use direct dark green color from the bottle as well. Once the fabric is ready with all the strawberries on them, you can use this fabric to make anything out of it. Like you can make a bag out of it or any top or skirt. Just go wild and use this fabric wherever you want. Do let me know if you found this to be interesting.